Never lose hope in His mercy. To do so is an insult to the Almighty. It's also a grave sin. Lay your trust in Him firmly and always do your best in all that you undertake. Everything will work out in the end. It may not be how you planned it, but it's certainly part of His plan. Feeling stuck in life? Do you keep going round in circles? Then you have to stop doing what you're doing and take stock of your life. Reevaluate your priorities and shift your mindset. Only then can you get out of the repetitive rut you're in. Seek your strength from the Almighty. Live your life one day at a time. Do your best and be the best version of yourself, improving with each passing day. Don't worry about tomorrow, let the Almighty take care of that. Remember, your journey is yours alone. Don't be distracted. Pray for His guidance in all that you do. Sometimes, when you get too comfortable and things are too smooth, the Almighty will shake you out of your comfort zone. Don't be alarmed. Read His signs. If you have a good attitude and bear patience, He will grant you something that's greater than you imagined. Whatever pain you're experiencing today will hold you in good stead tomorrow. The more you suffer today, the stronger you become. This life's not a rosy bed. Tomorrow's success is based on today's discomfort. Patience, a strong willpower and the right attitude will see you through. It's natural to feel tired and discouraged when life deals you a blow. We are generally weak and crumble with the slightest hardship. Always remember that you're not alone. The Almighty will give you strength and power to overcome your difficulties. Trust Him completely. Pray for Gaza. It is ablaze with some of the worst, unprecedented violence in recent years. Many have lost their lives. Thousands are wounded. Stop the brutality. I am deeply saddened by the turn of events in #Shariah. It is totally unacceptable. Terror has no religion, race or color. My heart goes out to the victims and all affected. May the Almighty grant ease to all Indonesians. What you do away from the public eye speaks a lot about you. In fact, it shows your true character. And don't think no one knows or sees it, because the Almighty knows everything about you, both done publicly and in private. At times, the Almighty gives us so many warning signs, yet we totally ignore them, often thinking we know better. Understand His plan. He is trying to protect us from harm and whatever evil that stands in the way.